highly successful entrepreneurs embraces change. Yes. Ang bilis magbago ng mundo ngayon. Ang bilis mag-grow ng technology. Ang bilis ng innovation. And the problem with most people is hindi willing magbago kasi tumalab na yung lumang strategy. Ayaw na nilang i-innovate. Understand that change is constant. Pero humahaba yung buhok natin, humahaba yung kuko, tumatanda tayo, nagbabago panahon, everything is changing. So you also have to adapt to change. As entrepreneurs, dapat willing kang magbago. Because for things to change, you have to change. For the external factors of our life to change, dapat tayo mismo willing magbago. And that's the main reason why people who are more successful tend to learn more, tend to invest more in themselves. Yung mga mas mayayaman, mas busy sila, mas marami silang problema, mas marami silang hinahandle, mas mataas yung risk nila kasi isang pagkakamali lang pwedeng maubos lahat. Pero sila yung naglalaan ng time para matuto.